Hey guys, Rusty here at Ugly HP. So I just want to do a review on these Mayflower tire machine and balancer. Kind of got convinced to start doing used tires. Used tires go for about $5 a piece. There's tons of companies that sell them here in Florida. You have to buy like 100 tire minimum. So I got the biggest one that you can get. I think it supposedly does a tire up to 49 inches. Don't know if it could actually fit a 49-inch tire on there. But I will say, like, we've done quite a bit of tires with this, and for some cheap tire machine that you get off of eBay, like, this thing's already paid for itself. The balancer, I will say this, the balancer is not a high-speed balancer, but I have balanced tires that had vehicles wobbling, and it corrected the issue. So the balancers, it's not a high-speed balancer, but it's accurately balancing tires of all calipers, aluminum and steel wheels. I leave the machine on. It comes with a calibration procedure, but overall I think I have like 1800, like 1800. I can't remember the exact amount that I paid. This has the bead blasters built into it, which are basically these little vent holes. So if I push on the pedal, it gives me air. If I push it all the way down, it gives me the bead blast, which is nice. So yeah, I would give these a 10 out of 10 considering price, and they work. It comes with extra plastics for that end, and I don't see any issues with it. Comes with a water separator, oiler, gauge. Everything's there to hook it up. The only thing it doesn't come with, like almost every air tool, is the fitting for the air hose. But yeah, haven't had any issues, and we've done 22s on this, and it does them real clean. So if you're looking for a cheap investment, it doesn't have like the extra hand and roller, but if you know to hold the one side down, and if you know how to mount a tire, then these things are definitely worth the investment. And I don't see why I wouldn't buy another one if this one ever crapped out. So yeah, just a little review. Quality machines. If you're doing something on the side, it's worth the buy instead of spending $4,000 or $5,000. Same quality in these machines. Check us out next time, and as always, keep wrenching.